Not long ago, the collapse of FTX, one of the largest centralized exchanges in the world, dealt a huge blow to the cryptocurrency market, so it is understandable that its owner is trying to recover. However, what is surprising here is that he seems to be looking to the Shiba Inu to help him do just that. More of that in the rest of this video, so be sure to keep watching. Disclaimer: whales have been seen buying huge chunks from the sea, and although it is not uncommon for whales to buy a lot of sheep, they have gone really crazy in the last couple of days. I mean, almost 1 trillion Shiba Inu tokens have been bought by whales in the last 24 hours, and the transaction has seen whales buy sheep worth billions. So there must be something for these kinds of purchases to happen. In all of these transactions, there are two types of transactions that absolutely stand out. One of them was done by Binance, where they transferred close to 500 billion SHIB, worth about $4.4 million between wallets. Some claim that this transaction took place as part of a Binance crypto reserve audit. The other notable transaction was executed by an unknown whale which bought about 56 billion tokens. There were other transactions, of course, with anonymous whales buying over 100 billion tokens in single transactions. All these transactions have put sheep in the list of the 7 most traded assets. But the question remains, why are these crazy transactions happening now? Binance can only be a good when they audit their finances. But what about the unidentified whales? Well, apparently the Shiba army has a theory on the matter. A lot of SHIB holders seem to think these purchases may have something to do with FTX CEO Sam Bankman-Fried. The theory is that SBF may be trying to turn around its fortunes by investing in what it thinks is the next big thing. Meaning, he might be trying to extricate himself from the mess he's in now by investing in SHIB just before its price explodes. But what do you think as you think about it? You may also want to consider the fact that the Shiba Inu has surpassed the Solana and the market value. I just reported yesterday that Shiba Inu has trailed Solana on the list of top cryptocurrencies. And it happened because the number of cheap tokens was increasing while the price was not. But with all these purchases happening, Shiba has managed to overtake Sol, so it looks like the climb will be permanent. Interestingly, it's not just whales buying as many tokens as they can, or this grizzly has climbed to the list of top cryptocurrencies by market cap. The token is already gaining global significance, as you may have already heard. Shiba Inu Metaverse advisor Marcy Jastrow has been called to speak at the first global summit, and this summit will take place December 5th-7th, 2022 in Miami, Florida. Without a doubt, the fact that Castro will be speaking about the Shiba Inu at such a major conference as the first World Summit is a big deal. Having a Shiba Inu rub shoulders with tech giants like Meta and Microsoft is an opportunity that many crypto projects don't get or will. So the Shiba Inu has that opportunity as something we should celebrate. If you ask me, according to Drown Cryptocurrency, Shiba Inu Metaverse advisor Marcy Jastrow will be attending the Immersive Global Summit in Miami. Jester will be responsible for representing the Shiba Inu ecosystem on an international scale alongside tech giants such as Meta, Microsoft, Facebook, and TerraZone. According to the official tweet gesture, new information will be shared regarding the upcoming Shiba Inu Shiba in the Metaverse, including details about the development of its ecosystem as a whole. The summit schedule has already been published on the official website of the Immersive World Summit. So, if you are thinking of attending the summit, you should go check it out to know when Castro will be giving her speech. Basically, rather than just celebrating the fact that Shiba Inu are getting such a huge opportunity, as many of them as possible should consider going to the summit to show the community support for Jetro and the Shiba Inu project in general. However, with all the cool things that have been happening within the Shiba Inu ecosystem, some are already speculating that the Shiba Inu is on its way to $2. Crypto News Flash writes that strategic partnerships and collaboration are at the core of the Zai network's continued growth and development when most virtual currencies find it difficult to staying afloat amid the broader crypto market turmoil. The Shiba Inu managed to strike a huge deal. The deal referenced here is the deal BitPay just made with Agnostic Shoes. BitPay just announced that it has partnered with Atheist Shoes that allows customers to pay for these shoes using any of the cryptocurrencies BitPay supports, including Shiba Inu, of course. Moreover, if you pay with your sheep, you are entitled to a 10% discount. But hurry up, as this offer is for a limited time. At this point, the Shiba Inu is inarguably one of the most widely used cryptocurrencies since there are so many different brands and companies that can. It needs to be approved as a method of payment. As a result of the existence of the Shiba Inu, there's a high chance of them surviving this winter and coming out on the other side stronger simply because it has a connection to the real world. We can only hope that more brands and companies will continue to accept it as a method of payment. Perhaps this is what the whales are thinking as they continue to buy sheep. But before we get into that, this channel is giving away a daily giveaway of 100,000 sheep for a chance to participate in the giveaway. All you have to do is subscribe to this channel, like this video, and leave a comment below. I miss Shiba Inu. Good luck and God bless you. I've already talked about size whales buying large amounts of sheep, but the thing I didn't mention is that new whales are even being born. Recently, a brand new wallet bought 138 billion sheep tokens, worth $1.25 million in one fell swoop. Why else would completely new investors decide to spend that much money on sheep if not for the fact that they are worth it? Apart from the whales, new retail investors have also entered the Shiba Inu market as the number of sheep owners continues to rise. Thousands buy their first sheep each day, and many continue to follow the Shiba Inu Twitter style too. It's really exciting to see all of these positive changes happening within the Shiba Inu ecosystem and society. However, I broke an interesting record yesterday. In the past 24 hours, there have been 2 bird trades, and in one of those transactions, only one sheep token was burned. However, while that may sound like bad news, the sheep burning platform has shown why it's actually put to good use. She writes today that in a recent tweet, Sheepbird provided information about just one sheep token being sent to a dead wallet by a single transaction. The person behind the account admits it was all cake and laughs. However, they reminded the army of sheep that the more users visit the transaction pages on their website, even to see once it was burned, and then start tracking this event, the more website help burn more tokens. So whatever makes you go to the cremation site is valid, provided you burn the sheep tokens. Meanwhile, actual burns happened, and it was pretty amazing. In just 1 week, nearly 223 million sheep were burned, and about 22 million of them were burned in just 24 hours. 3 burn initiatives can be attributed to a large portion of these burns, including a sheep burning supermarket, one said to have recorded the largest burns, which was made possible by the 3 revenue streams: sheep burning, radio sheep burning, and super followers. 2 other burn initiatives, Sheep Superstore and 1 Cent, also contributed significantly to burns. With that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, please like this video and don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Also, please share this video with as many people as possible. Let's spread this news out there.